Hey guys, Liz Tools here, and today I'm doing my first review or whatnot of something you should not buy. This is the Motomaster. This is from Canadian Tire here in Canada. This is their 4-ton hydraulic bottle jack. So, let me just give you a little backstory. So, I've been looking for bottle jack for a long time, and I'm in Canadian Tire browsing, and I see all of their bottle jacks are on sale. They have the 2, 4, 8, and 12 ton, I think. I was looking at the 2-ton first. I took it out of the box. I played with it. It seemed decent. And I looked at the price. It was $19.99 on sale. And this guy was $24.99 on sale. So I thought for twice the capacity for $5, why not? So I just grabbed this guy. Now I bring it home here, unpackage it, and whatnot. And the box is terrible. I already had this in the car ready to return it. And I was on Amazon looking at some other jacks to see if there was something better out in the world, and a video from Doc from Last Best Tool came up my recommended that I've watched before, but I rewatched that, and then I was thinking, I gotta put this out here so you guys know not to buy this junk. So, let's get into it. You get your paperwork that isn't really good, you get a really crappy handle, and a crappy jack. So I'll just show you here. See here, or actually, holy crow, this one must have been $15 for them. This one was only $20. So yeah, but it's not worth the $20. Take a look in the box there. You can see that it's leaking like hell. And yeah, I already had this in the car ready to return. I put the zip tie on it because this box is just not stay together. There's no tape, nothing. It's just horrible packaging for a horrible product. So, your standard bottle jack. First thing I noticed, I took it out of the box. You got hydraulic fluid here. It's wet. The screw works, and it does work. It does go up. I guess I'll show you real quick. You can see on it. It's leaking all over. The handle here, it's just got a sticker on it. It's already got some rust on it where it wasn't painted well. This just goes in there like that. It's just, you know, cheapo stuff, but it does go up. But is that tight? Yeah. But it's gonna be hard to see now. It's under this mess of halfway frozen hydraulic fluid. It's about minus 40 Celsius right now. But the casing right here, it wasn't welded or it's cracked. There's a hole right here. And when I went and undid the handle here, pushed her back down, the fluid just seeped right out of here. I don't know if it'll show up again, but I mean, you could tell there's schmoo all over the damn thing. Just a real crappy product. I think you might be able to get away with it if you definitely take it out of the box, examine it real good, but I think you're really getting what you pay for with an item like this. I'm taking this right back. Don't risk your life for a bit of money. It's not worth it. Normally use a floor jack to lift stuff up, but sometimes you just can't. If you're off-roading or you need to lift up a control arm, do suspension work. It's just, you know, one of those things. It's not worth your life. So, I'm going to take this package back up, take into the town tomorrow, to the store to return. And yeah, that's about it. Do not buy these junk Motomaster Canadian Tire hydraulic bottle jacks. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Take it easy.